Dom, you're baiting him.
Oh.
Keep baiting him, mate.
I'm not baiting.
Because maybe I'm baiting you.
What? Nah, you pissed. Nah, mate. What have you just done?
That's what you get for baiting a teammate, Dom.
You can't, mate. You can't like outbait me. That's how it works. It's like you can't say, "Oh, all right, do the wrongs that make a shot." Stop. Do the wrongs that make a right, mate. I don't know how they knew I was there. I was literally sat there the whole time.
And I watched the drone come in ages ago.
Wait, then they droned and it didn't even spot me though. They try so hard.
Mate, it's just so good.
Yeah, you haven't said actually. Run me one more time. I can't believe they droned me and didn't spot that. I'm actually in shock at how hard they were trying and they still lost 3-0. Man.
He's gonna touch first. He's gonna die.
I had a burger in my hand, that's why. I wasn't playing, I had a burger in my hand. I was only with one hand, relax.
Can we speak? Can we actually get a little bit into this, Anthony? I just want to dig into it a bit, mate. So you burger in your hand, right? So you had your left hand on WASD and shift moving around, and your right hand was on your mouse shooting an aim. And so which hand is holding the fucking burger?
My right hand was on the mouse. I had the burger in my left hand.
Right.
So it was like kind of on the keyboard. So I was like, oh shit, I really can't be doing this. That's why I lost so much aim and control of what was happening. So I didn't want the burger to touch the keyboard. So every time I tried to move, I was like, oh, I can't do it. Makes sense. Let's not talk about it.
Burger on his keyboard in the way.
Fucking hate it when I go to reload and there's a burger in the way.
Who the fuck is this dude?
Where was the burger, mate? During that death, where was the burger? Tell me.
It was on my lap. I dropped it. I was trying to.
What?
Off your crotch. Hello.
Dropped my fucking burger. On my fucking keyboard. I dropped my fucking burger on the keyboard. That's why I'm not playing good right now.
Oh, are you playing around that?
Stiff. I've actually got the serious stiff arm going on right now. Okay.
What?
Well,
What?
they can't be that
What?
cold.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, what's wrong, mate? Oh my god!
I literally spat food everywhere when you said that. When you did that, I actually spat food everywhere. Wait. Win this? Win this, bruv? No, don't do this.
I need to reinforce that, mate. It's really annoying me.
What do you mean?
It looks like it should be reinforced.
That works. Mates. Mates, just reinforce it. Just be a man.
Alright, I'll be a man.
Stick it out. Oh! As if...
We're gaming. Giving myself some cover.
Bruv, this nomad is freaking out so much.
Is she?
Round the bed still. Yep.
Fuck that verse.
One bullet. Be a man. What is this?
What is that
fight? What was that fight? I'm so angry. Oh, shut up. Don't speak. No, shut up. You're not allowed to fucking do that, man. Rob, breathe in air. Can't explain how bad that nomad was. Like, I think I've actually had shits that if I put on my fucking DX racer right now, it would do better at getting a kill against Marley. Honest to God.
Shit. So you put on your DX racer?
You did bet on the nomad. I swear to God, mate. That nomad literally just sat there and just monged out. Can't argue with that. It's only been next to the window.
I got a Twitch drone.
Shock drone down.
Oh. What's that weed?
Nature. No, you're pissing me off. No, you're pissing me off. No, you're pissing me off. Don't look at me. No, don't look at you. I'm gonna continue looking this way. If I can't see you, mate, it didn't happen.